We all dream of big homes, sprawling spaces where every wish has a room of its own. But for many of us, reality means making the most of a smaller footprint. And that's not just okay, it's an opportunity to create something truly special. True comfort isn't measured in square footage or the number of rooms. It's about how a space makes you feel safe, inspired, and at ease. Some of the most heartfelt, inviting homes are the smallest ones. In these spaces, every detail matters, and every corner tells a story. It's not the size of your space, it's the heart you put into it. The memories you create, the laughter you share, and the love you pour into every nook. A home is a story, and you can tell a beautiful one in just one room. Each object, each color, each texture becomes a chapter in your personal narrative. Comfort comes from being surrounded by things you love, not from extra, unused space. A favorite book on the shelf, a cherished photo, or a handmade mug can make a world of difference. Even a tiny apartment can be a sanctuary if you're intentional. With thoughtful choices, you can turn a small room into a peaceful retreat from the world. Every piece should have purpose. Every corner can count. Multifunctional furniture, clever storage, and a bit of creativity can make your space work harder for you. Think of a small space as a creative opportunity, not a limitation. It's a chance to experiment, to innovate, and to discover what truly matters to you. Instead of clutter, fill your home with joy and meaning. Let go of what you don't need and make room for what brings you happiness. Every choice, from wall color to a cozy blanket, adds to the feeling of home. Even the smallest details, like a favorite scent or a splash of color, can transform your mood. We're about to transform a simple room into a warm, minimal haven. Watch as we turn blank walls and empty corners into spaces full of life and personality. Let's challenge the idea that bigger is always better. Sometimes the most memorable homes are the ones that make the most of what they have. A small space can be grand in comfort, style, and peace. With the right touches, even the tiniest apartment can feel luxurious and inviting. We'll show you how to make your home work for you, no matter its size. From work to relaxation, your space can adapt to your needs and dreams. It's about finding big vibes in a tiny apartment. Let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to make bold choices. Let's get started on this journey to create a space that feels just right. Together, we'll discover how to turn limitations into inspiration. Your home should reflect who you are and what you love. No matter how small, it can be the backdrop for your biggest dreams. Let's begin. Here's our starting point: a small, uninspired apartment room. It's the kind of space that feels like it could belong to anyone, yet no one in particular. There's nothing here that tells a story or sparks a sense of belonging. It's just four walls, a floor, and a ceiling, waiting for something more. The walls are plain, the bed is basic, and clutter fills the corners. It's a room that's been lived in, but not truly loved. The lack of color and personality makes it feel almost invisible, as if it's hiding in plain sight. Clothes drape over a chair, books and papers pile up, and the desk is a jumble of cords and mugs. Every surface seems to collect the leftovers of busy days and forgotten routines. It's a snapshot of everyday chaos, but also a sign that life happens here, even if it's a little disorganized. The harsh overhead light makes the space feel cold and uninviting. Instead of warmth, there's a sterile glow that flattens everything, making it hard to imagine curling up here with a good book or unwinding after a long day. Decorations are random, the rug is worn, and the room feels temporary. Nothing seems to have a purpose or a place, and the mismatched pieces only add to the sense of impermanence. It's a space that functions, but doesn't inspire or invite you to relax. It's practical, but not personal. You can sleep here, work here, but you don't really want to spend time here. This is the before picture, a room waiting for purpose and personality. It's a blank slate, but also a challenge. How do you turn a space like this into something that feels like home? But look closer. There's potential here. Underneath the mess and the monotony, there are hints of what could be. Maybe it's the way the light falls in the afternoon, or the quiet promise of a corner that could become your favorite spot. Good bones, a blank canvas, and a chance to create something special. The room has the right foundation: natural light, simple lines, and just enough space to dream big. We see beyond the mess to what this room could become. With a little imagination and effort, it could transform into a place that feels truly yours, a space that welcomes you in and reflects your story. It's ready to be a cozy retreat, a functional workspace, and a true reflection of its owner. The possibilities are endless, limited only by creativity and vision. This is where our transformation begins. Every great story starts with a blank page, and this room is no different. Let's turn this blank page into a beautiful new chapter. Story starts now, and together, we'll bring this room to life, one thoughtful detail at a time. Our goal is simple. Create a cozy, minimal, and organized space. Cozy means warmth and comfort. Minimal means intentional choices. We'll keep only what's beautiful, useful, or meaningful. Every item will have space to breathe. The room should feel like a sanctuary, calm, soothing, and functional. We'll declutter first, making room for peace and clarity. Natural elements like wood and plants will bring freshness and calm. Zones for sleeping, working, and relaxing will flow together harmoniously. Character comes from personal touches, photos, art, or a vintage lamp. Layered textures, rugs, linens, throws, add depth and interest. The result? A space that's clean, organized, and full of soul. Minimal doesn't mean boring, it means purposeful. This room will feel uniquely yours. Let's bring this vision to life. The bed is the heart of the room, let's make it irresistible. We'll layer soft linens, a fluffy duvet, and pillows in calming colors. A chunky knit throw adds warmth and texture. The look should be effortlessly stylish, not overly perfect. Define the bed area with a simple headboard, reclaimed wood, an upholstered panel, or even a painted arch. Use small nightstands or floating shelves to save space. Add a lamp and a spot for a book. Keep it simple. Ground the area with a soft rug underfoot. Every morning your feet land on comfort. With these touches, the bed becomes a true retreat. This is your cozy nook to unwind. In a small apartment, your desk often shares space with your bedroom. The key is a slim, simple desk that blends in, not overwhelms. Organization is everything. Cord organizers, a ceramic cup for pens, and a neat file holder keep clutter away. Floating shelves above the desk provide storage and display space for books, plants, or art. Choose a stylish, comfortable chair that fits the room's vibe. Skip the bulky office chair, opt for something with fabric or wood. Add a small plant and a framed photo for personality. A desk lamp provides focused light. The workspace should feel productive, but also easy to turn off at day's end. It's a functional office that doesn't sacrifice the room's peaceful feel. Work and rest can coexist beautifully. Lighting transforms a room's mood. Ditch the harsh overhead light for a softer fixture or a dimmer switch. Layer light with multiple lamps, on the nightstand, desk, and in corners. Use warm, soft white bulbs, around 2700 K for a cozy glow. Avoid cool, blue-toned bulbs that feel clinical. Let in natural light with sheer curtains for daytime brightness. At night, close the curtains and rely on your layered lamps for warmth. Lighting should make the room feel inviting and calm. This simple change has a huge impact. Let's make this tiny room glow. Clutter disrupts peace. Smart storage is essential. Use tall bookshelves and baskets to maximize vertical space. Underbed storage is perfect for off-season items. Choose furniture that does double duty, like storage ottomans and nightstands with drawers. Keep surfaces clear with trays for small items. Every piece should help you stay organized. A clutter-free zone policy keeps the room serene. Smart storage makes daily life easier and calmer. Step back and see the transformation. A once cluttered room is now a peaceful retreat. Soft, layered lighting creates a warm atmosphere. Calming wall colors and intentional choices make the space feel bigger and brighter. The bed nook is inviting, with textured bedding and a cozy rug. Nightstands are clear, holding only essentials. The workspace is organized and blends seamlessly with the decor. Smart storage keeps clutter hidden, leaving clean surfaces. Mixed textures add depth and character. The room feels like a true home, personal, organized, and welcoming. Proof that small spaces can be beautiful sanctuaries. Let this makeover inspire you. Your small space is an opportunity, not a limitation. Every corner, every nook, holds the potential to become something special. Instead of wishing for more room, celebrate the unique charm your home already has. Small spaces invite creativity and encourage us to focus on what truly matters. You can create beauty, comfort, and peace with intention, not size. Start small, declutter a corner, change a light bulb, or add cozy bedding. Even the tiniest improvements can transform your space and your mood. Notice how a simple change, like a new pillow or a fresh plant, can breathe new life into your home. Each step builds momentum and joy. As you organize and refresh, you'll find yourself feeling lighter and more at ease. The process itself can be rewarding, turning chores into moments of self-care. A minimal home isn't about having nothing, but about making space for what matters most. It's about choosing quality over quantity, and letting your favorite things shine. Love everything you keep. Each item should have a purpose or bring you happiness. When you surround yourself with things you cherish, your home becomes a reflection of your personality and values. Fill your shelves with personal mementos, photos, and decorations that tell your story and bring you joy. These touches make your space truly yours, turning a house into a home. Let go of what you don't need. Create space for calm and creativity. When you release clutter, you make room for new experiences and ideas to flourish. A simple, organized home leads to a more joyful life. You'll find it easier to relax, focus, and enjoy the present moment when your surroundings are peaceful and inviting. See your small apartment with fresh eyes and embrace its potential. Open the curtains, let in the light, and notice how your space can feel bigger and brighter with just a few thoughtful changes. Fill it with warmth, light, and love. Use soft lighting, natural sunlight, and cozy textures to create an atmosphere that welcomes you home every day. Home isn't about square footage. It's about the joy you feel inside. The laughter, the memories, and the comfort you create are what truly matter. Your beautiful, small home is ready for its story. Every day is a new page, waiting for you to fill it with moments that matter. Go tell it. Make it yours. Celebrate your space, and let it be a source of pride, comfort, and inspiration.